Hello, this is Carl Johnson. I am here showing the slide about applying slide size, orientation setting, and manipulating graphical elements. What this video will cover specifically is setting up a custom size and changing the orientation, also arranging, positioning, and resizing graphical elements, which graphical elements are pictures mostly, applying effects, applying styles, and applying borders, and adding hyperlinks. So, first off, setting up a custom slide size and changing the orientation. What you're going to want to do is go up to Design and then click on Slide Orientation. You can do Portrait or you can do Landscape. There's just those two options. There's also a Page Setup where you can change the width and the height, and also you can change the slide orientation too in this area. So the next thing is arranging and positioning and resizing graphical elements. So to get a graphical element, let's go to the home window, and all these are graphical elements, they're all pictures. I'm just going to choose a simple one such as this arrow, and to just pop it up you just click and hold and drag across the screen. There we have our arrow. And to position it, all you have to do is click and hold and move it where you want it, or you can go up to arrange and then align, left align, and there's also center align, and there's also rotate. You can do rotate 90 degrees. As you can see now, the arrow is pointing up, and that's that. Alright, so finally, next, applying effects and applying styles and applying borders to graphical elements. So let's go back up to these pictures. Let's just get a simple one like this one. There's our rectangle, curved edges, and so applying borders, I'm going to do that one at first. You're going to want to go up to Format, which should be under this Drawing Tools, and applying effects, you can change to freeform and then edit where you want the shape's points to be, and it should end up like a random figure that you just made, like so. Alright, so then you're going to want to go to, if you want text in it, you can do kind of a word art style, but for fill, you can go up here and the fill of the object should change, like so. So applying effects and applying styles, you're going to want to right click on the figure and click on Format Shape, and this screen should come up, and this is the fill for like this area. So I'm going to do line color and gradient line. I'm going to do rainbow just because it's kind of fun to do. Line style, you can make the line bigger if you wish, like so. I'm going to make it 50. See what that does. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Also, you can change the different thicknesses and how many lines there are, like this. There's that new inside kind of line. It's surrounded by it. You can also make it 3D by this is one of the effects that you can do. I'm just going to do, there's these ones that you can click on. If you do that, and then you can just change how big it is. I'm going to put at 25 just because it does the most. Let's do a base 2 just to finish things up. Make that also 25. Thanks. And now you can see that the figure is a little bit of 3D. And that's that. You can now have it however you wish. You can turn it and rotate it, so. And there it is, just like that. Alright, so finally adding hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are like this, the http two dots dash dash www.google.com. Those are hyperlinks. But first I'm going to show you how to get to a hyperlink. So you want to click on Insert, and then go over to Hyperlinks. Click on Hyperlinks, and then in the address it should be ready for you to type, and all you have to do is do www dot whatever thing you're gonna do, but I'm gonna do Google. It's just easy. And then .com, it should have the rest there for you. You just click OK. There it is. And to make sure that the hyperlink works, just right click on it and then do Open Hyperlink. Should take you right to Google. As you can see, now I'm at Google. It looks like they have a new design for today too, huh? Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned how to apply slide, orientation settings, and manipulating graphical elements. Thank you. Alright.